Here we go on Voltron Nevera. Oh my lord. This is going so slow. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, here we go. Here we go. Oh my lord. I've obviously seen spoilers for this bit. Oh! Bro, my GoPro. Woo! Woo! Here we go! Dive leap! Oh my lord! That was mental. It could be the second part. I don't know if the beach ride's happened yet. What the? Oh, here we go! Here we go! Third and fourth launch! Whoa! 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 What the? Oh my lord! Air time! Whoa! Out the bank! Whoa! 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 Oh my lord! Here we go! Oh, straight! Oh! Oh my lord! Oh my lord! I bet I can't see, but my GoPro's definitely messed up. That's insane. I need to ride that again to decide if that beats right happiness or not. That was insane. Wow.